How to create an event on Facebook. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch the Facebook application and make sure to log in with your Facebook account. Once you're logged in, now from this home page, navigate to top right corner. There is a profile icon with 3-line icon. Tap on it. That's basically the menu icon, which will take you to menu page. Here, scroll down a bit, and on this interface, you will be able to view a bunch of menus such as memories, saved, groups, video. And in the same section, there is an option as events. If you can't find it, you can simply tap on see more. After that, you can find events menu, tap on it. Now from here, tap on this plus icon from the top right corner, which is basically to create an event, so tap on it. Now there are few settings that you can edit for your events. First of all, you can choose the gallery or you can choose the picture for your event. You can simply upload it from your gallery, or you can upload it by tapping on it and choose from your gallery, or you can simply tap on gallery and then pick an image from here. If you would like to pick a GIF, tap on it and then you can choose any GIF from here, or you can simply search in the search bar as well. Now after you upload a picture, under that there is an event name. You have to type in the event name. After you type in your event name, under that there is a start date in time. If you tap on it, now you have to choose the start date and then the start time. Tap on it and from here you choose the date. Tap on set and again tap on start time and then choose the time according to your preferences and then tap on set. Once that's on, tap on done. Now if you like to add end time, there is an option for end time as well. Tap on it and then provide your end date in time. If you would like to repeat event, there is an event, so tap on repeat event and now you can choose the frequency. Tap on frequency and from here, if you would like to repeat your event never, then go for the first option, or if you would like to repeat your event daily, go for the second option, and there is a weekly as well. After you're done, you can simply close this. And again, you can close this. Now you can choose the time also from this option. That is at the last. Under that, it is asking, is it in personal or virtual? Tap on it, and if you like to organize an event in person, you have to enter the location. Or if you like to conduct it virtually, tap on virtual. Now you have to choose the method. Either you can go Facebook Live or use external link, or there are other options as well. In this other section, it says include clear instructions in your event details on how to participate. So according to your preferences, you can choose anyone from here, or if you like to organize it in a person, tap on in person and then choose the location. After you're done with that, now again tap on who can see it. Now you can edit your audience. If you would like to set it as a private, that says only people who are invited. Or if you like to set it to public, that is anyone on or off Facebook, you can go with the second option. Or if you like to select the friends option, choose the last option. Then tap on done. And under that, there is a text box that says what are the details. So in this text box, you can simply type in the details of your event. You can type everything to describe your event in this text box. Under that, there is an option to add co-host. Tap on it and now from your friend list, you can add anyone as a co-host and then tap on add co-host. Now if you like to turn on the chat option with the guest, you can simply tap on it and then simply turn on. Or if you like to keep it off, then you can simply leave it as it is. Once that's on, providing all the information regarding your event, tap on create event and then your event will be created. So that's how you create event on Facebook, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.